Alright guys, good morning everybody. October 15, 2023, Pomona Car Show. We're in line, excited to see all the VWs. Alright, hopefully we'll have a good day today and we'll find some parts for the 65. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Alright, catch you inside. Hey guys, today we had a great day at the Pomona Fairplex VW Car Show. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me show you what I got. I got some pretty good bargains today. So I was looking for a grommet. It's a master cylinder plug, which is just like an odd thing to look for at the fair. But anyways, I picked it up for $3, which is not bad. And another weird find that I got was a bump stop bracket for a 65. Like, who looks for one of these? And I found it in a bin. That dude charged me like $10 for it, which is a bargain. I saw some online for like $30, so that was a good find. I did get throttle body cable, accelerator cable for $5, brand new. So this will be perfect for the roller pedal. And oh, let me show you guys. Let me switch this around real quick. Okay, so before you guys say anything about a $65 blinker, blah blah blah, these are the ones that fit the fenders, because one of the fenders is kind of not, I don't think it's a 65 fender, but it kind of, you know, fits the bug. So I'm going with the smaller blinkers, I know, but it is what it is. I like the smaller blinkers anyways. For whatever reason, they said that you can't run these in California unless they're amber. So I don't know if they're illegal or not, but they said if you put a orange bulb in it, it should be legal. So we're just gonna roll with that. And that's pretty much it. I picked up another headlight for $45, which is not bad. The other one that I got, for whatever reason, the headlight, it doesn't want to stay in place. So anyways, it was a good find. The whole entire thing for the $45. All right, you guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Don't forget, subscribe. If this is the first time you guys ran into this channel and you like the content, subscribe and like it, and share it with a friend. It doesn't cost you a dime to like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed everything. All right, guys, till the next time, have a good one. Bye-bye.